Abu Dhabi, the capital city of the United Arab Emirates, has a population of over 1 million. By 2030, this figure is estimated to rise to over 3 million. The city needs sustainable phased, quality infrastructure growth to keep pace with its rapid evolution. The development of Abu Dhabi International Airport is vital to support the 2030 Abu Dhabi economic vision. The airport currently serves over 100 destinations in more than 50 countries. Most of these are served by Etihad Airways, the national airline of the United Arab Emirates and primary tenant of the airport. By 2020, the airport will be able to cater for 45 million passengers per year. Additional airport capacity is required due to this expected passenger growth. The Abu Dhabi government and Abu Dhabi Airports Company, in collaboration with other state authorities, are developing the Abu Dhabi Airport Midfield Terminal, the future home of Etihad Airways. This state-of-the-art facility will be the heart of Etihad Airways' future operations and a showcase for the airline internationally. The Midfield Terminal Complex, MTC, is located to the north of the existing terminal facilities, Terminals 1 and 3, and between the airport's north and south runways. The complex includes all the necessary facilities and services to support the Midfield Terminal building, the MTB. When completed, the MTB will be the third largest airport terminal building in the world, after Dubai and Beijing. A service tunnel, called the Midfield Airside Road Tunnel, or MART, will assist connectivity between the Midfield Terminal building and the south side of the airport. Once the Midfield Terminal is operational, the current terminals and facilities will undergo an extensive upgrade and refurbishment. They will eventually reopen once the Midfield Terminal reaches full capacity. In addition, the cargo facilities will also be upgraded. Once complete, this will increase handling capacity and improve connecting times for transfer shipments and delivery times for Abu Dhabi freight customers. Our catering facility is also being improved to ensure that it can deliver a capacity of over 80,000 meals a day. The support facilities of the Midfield Terminal Complex include short and long-term car parks, a goods and waste processing facility, and Employee Consolidation Centre. The Employee Consolidation Centre, or ECC, will serve as the central security screening and customs clearance point for more than 2,000 Etihad staff that are expected to work in the terminal. Staff will be provided with parking spaces at the ECC with a network of shuttle buses available to transport them to their respective workplaces. For passengers and well-wishers, 3,400 short-term car parking spaces will be conveniently located in front of the MTB, with another 1,500 long-term car parking spaces just a 5-minute bus ride from the entrance to the terminal. A new exit from the E10 highway will provide direct access to the Midfield Terminal. Travellers who arrive at the terminal by taxi, private limousine or bus will access the building on the inner curb or on the outer curb if they arrive in a private car. Etihad's premium guests will have access to a dedicated departure curb and will be dropped off directly in front of the premium check-in facilities. The Midfield Terminal building provides over 700,000 square metres of internal space and stands amongst the world's most architecturally impressive structures. The building's central atrium contains the world's longest internal steel arch at 180 metres, and the floor space alone could accommodate 3 full-size football pitches. Stretching 1.35 kilometres at its widest point, with a maximum ceiling height of 52 metres, the terminal will be larger than the iconic Emirates Palace Hotel. The terminal will have the capacity to process 8,500 guests per hour and more than 45 million guests per year. Arriving guests will benefit from 65 contact gates, linking them directly to the main terminal building and improving the transfer and arrival experience. Once inside the concourse, guests will continue their journey towards the central part of the terminal using dedicated travellators, which will take them to the main arrivals hall. Once in the main arrivals hall, they will clear immigration and customs, collect their baggage and perhaps pause to shop for duty-free items before exiting the building through the spacious meet and greet area. After picking up their bags, premium guests will be picked up by their Etihad chauffeur at the limousine pickup area. For departing guests, 156 check-in counters will be available at the Midfield terminal, with dedicated zones providing a hassle-free experience. First class and business class guests will enjoy a personalised experience with exclusive premium departure and security screening areas. The central atrium is the heart of the Midfield terminal, an 18,000 square metres retail area where guests can transfer and depart in comfort. Guests will experience exclusive entertainment, world-class cuisine, and a duty-free area with a variety of retail outlets and brands from all over the world. Flagship lounges will serve our first and business class guests, offering signature premium experiences that are personalised, entertaining, sensorial, and steeped in the culture and traditions of Abu Dhabi. Guests will access their gate through one of 4 concourses, each offering the convenience of shops, food outlets, and relaxation areas. US-bound guests will transfer from the MTB to Terminal 3 through the Midfield Airside Road Tunnel. The US pre-clearance facility at Terminal 3 allows guests to pre-clear US immigration formalities while still in Abu Dhabi. The Midfield Terminal's 28-kilometre long baggage handling system will have 30 flight build and 10 reclaim carousels, as well as 4,800 positions in its early bag store area. Bags will travel in the system at a speed of 25 km per hour and will be screened in line at a remarkable speed of 20 bags per minute per screening machine. The baggage handling system can process up to 19,200 bags per hour, with an average transfer in-system time of only 9 minutes. The system will identify early bags, missed bags that arrive too late for their connecting flight, and last-minute bags that are time-critical. Early bags will go to the bag store, while late and last-minute bags will be reflighted or go to a dedicated position for further processing by our team. The location of the terminal building between the 2 main runways allows for more efficient ground operations and taxiing time, whichever runway is used. Simultaneous dual runway operation will deliver increased capacity, improved resilience, and ultimately a better guest experience. A full upgrade to the airfield lighting system will provide selectable routes for each individual aircraft between the runway and the gate, dramatically raising the bar for performance during low visibility operations. It will also improve the overall safety of ground operations and provide optimal routes by sequencing the aircraft. Significant work is also being done on the airspace as well to make room for an ever-increasing number of flights.